So now we are in conversation with Mr. Vivek from IFF, and we have someone special, Alice Proofs, from all the way from Belgium. Specially, she's the international representative. He's the Indian representative. So let us see where the dairy industry is combining. So, sir, please tell us more about IFF and how are we collaborating internationally.
So IFF in India is there for a very long time. Okay, so our commitments towards overall food industry is very high, including dairy. So this exhibition is for dairy, and in dairy we are one of the world's prominent supplier for the cultures, for the dahi, buttermilk, and we are also into probiotics, and we are also coming up with new solutions and new concepts like lactose free, high protein concept, all the concept that an emerging country like India is heading towards. So we are a developing nation. We are on 4 feet, and we are moving very fast. And we are making sure that we have enough infrastructure in India and the resource available from our side to complement that growth story. And side by side also empowering the Indian milk producers to help them to come up with some innovative products so that they can earn more profits. And overall farmer welfare is something where we are committed. So that's around.
Definitely, and I think that is what we are looking forward towards, and we are also very eager. Even we all, as a nation, we want that international trade relations can increase so that we can work together globally and blend together. So, ma'am, what is your opinion on the Indian dairy industry and how are we collaborating?
I think it's a very dynamic industry, a very dynamic country where we are investing a lot to support the dairy manufacturers into adopting product and following trends which are already very prominent in other markets. And as my colleague said, bringing a new innovation such as high protein, lactose free and so on to really support the dairy manufacturer to reach new markets as well.
So how far are we going, sir, with IFF, and with this exhibition specifically? First of all, please tell us one by one about your experience in this exhibition, how it has gone so far, and also what are we expecting in the next upcoming, let's say, 2 to 3 years?
See, this exhibition is not new, so far I understand. This is a landmark in terms of, for all the industry players to come together.
Right.
And I think, like all the years, this year also, see, Yashobhoomi is a fantastic spot that you have chosen. Very comfortable, and it's also very easy for the customers to move around. So far, I will say that in the first 2 days, it has been phenomenal footfall. Very interesting questions we are getting. So what we are seeing is that there is a lot of opportunity out there and innovative mindset from the Indian customers. And we are all very excited, to complement that with our might. And we are seeing that this is providing the right platform for companies like us, for the manufacturers, and for the dairy farmers as well. Okay. So as I said in my earlier reply also, we are on a fast-paced growth as a country, and IFF as a company is fully committed to this growth. And I think we will be leading this market going ahead. Of course, with the customers, hand in hand, partnering them in the growth.
I think that is what is very important. The fact that you mentioned, going hand in hand with your customers and everybody collaborating together, coming together and growing together. I think that is what is major over here. So, ma'am, you also please tell us more about your experience, especially as compared to the previous years.
Yeah. It's my first year, so I would not be able to compare to a previous year, but it's very insightful for me, having a global role, to be able to see what's happening in India and to be experiences first and what I'm seeing from trends or from market data to really feel that energy and that growth potential. So I would say it was a very good experience. We are seeing lots of customers, lots of questions, lot of interest into the solution we can provide and how to support the market. And indeed working hand in hand, saying like you have a challenge, how can we help? What can we bring to overcome your challenge, to expand your geographies? And I think that's one of the key challenge that our customers are facing today. How can they expand? How can they make sure that their product stay good for longer and reach new consumers? So
Definitely, right. This exhibition is not just for networking opportunities, but this exhibition is also for all the industry mates to come together and solve the major challenges. I think that's the whole vision for this exhibition, and it's really happy to hear that you are having a great experience. Welcome to India once again, and since it's your first experience, we are also honored to welcome you, and it's an honor to talk to you as well, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.